Hi, in the last video we looked at loci on an Argand diagram such that the modulus of z has to be equal to number 10, and we realised that would be a circle centre 0, 0. Now if, and this GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video, the link, so you can play for yourself. If I change A, let's say to something like that, okay, let's just change R as well a little bit. Let's change R to, let's make it be 8, okay, because this would be the modulus of z minus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, and basically it's been moved along 4 along the real axis. If we've made A negative, okay, so it's minus 4 now, so this would be seen as z plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, but GeoGebra won't make those a plus. Okay, so let's go put it back here to about 2. Okay, if we let's put A back on 0. If we put B, then B is on the imaginary axis, so we'll change B to 4i. Okay, then this is represented by the loci is z minus 4i is equal to 8, and we can see that this is now at 4i, and similarly if we move it back down to minus 4, then this becomes z plus 4i is equal to 8. And if we were to move B to, let's see, 3, and then A to 2, maybe, okay, then the complex number, this will become the modulus of z minus in brackets 2 plus 3i, but notice it might be written as z minus 2 minus 3i is equal to 8. Okay, so this, I hope you've understood this. So basically, changing A and B will just move where the centre of the circle is. So this would be like the circle x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is equal to 8 squared. Okay, so I hope you've understood this, and again I'll remind you that the GeoGebra app will be put in the notes of the video for you to try for yourself. Thank you very much for watching.